Have you ever scraped your teeth with your tongue and felt that rough, gritty layer that just won't go away? You brush, you rinse. Maybe you've even tried baking soda or lemon juice, but the buildup is still there. Here's the surprising truth most people don't want to hear. Some things on your teeth cannot be removed at home, no matter what TikTok says. If you keep trying the wrong fixes, you might be damaging your teeth without realizing it. Let's be honest, you're doing everything right, or at least you think you are. You brush twice a day, you rinse with mouthwash, you Google how to remove tartar naturally, yet that yellow or brown crust near the gum line keeps coming back. That frustration turns into fear. Are my gums getting weaker? Why do my teeth look dirty even after brushing? Am I heading toward gum disease? Here's the urgency most people miss. Tartar is not just cosmetic. It's a hardened bacterial fortress sitting on your teeth, quietly irritating your gums 24/7. Ignore it long enough, and you're not just risking bad breath, risking gum recession, bone loss, and expensive dental treatments. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know what home remedies can and cannot do, which viral advice is secretly harmful, and the safest low-cost ways to protect your teeth starting today. Myth number 1. Baking soda removes tartar. Yes, baking soda can help remove surface stains and neutralize acids. But tartar? No. Why this is wrong? Tartar is mineralized plaque that has absorbed calcium from your saliva and turned rock hard. Trying to remove tartar with baking soda is like trying to clean cement with soap. Once it hardens, gentle cleaners won't break it. Overuse of baking soda equals enamel erosion, gives sensitivity, gives faster tartar buildup. Myth number 2. Lemon, vinegar, or salt dissolves tartar. This one is especially dangerous. Yes, acids can soften minerals, but they also strip enamel, irritate gums, increase tooth sensitivity. This is like using acid to remove rust from a car butt, accidentally melting the paint underneath. Your teeth may look cleaner for a week, then stain faster and worse than before. Let's simplify this. Step 1. Plaque forms. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms within hours after eating. Step 2. Minerals harden at saliva, contains calcium and phosphate. Within 24 to 72 hours, plaque absorbs these minerals and becomes tartar calculus. Analogy number 1. Like wet cement left overnight, it starts soft, but once set, you need tools. Analogy number 2. Think of plaque as snow, and tartar as ice. You can sweep snow, but ice needs a scraper. Analogy number 3. Bending a paperclip once is easy. Bend it repeatedly, and it hardens and breaks. That's plaque turning into tartar. Once tartar forms, no home remedy can safely remove it without damaging enamel or gums. Only professional scaling tools can do that safely. Stage 1. Minor discomfort, rough teeth, bleeding gums, bad breath. Stage 2. Worsening problem gum. Inflammation, gingivitis, swollen, tender gums, gum line redness. Stage 3. Structural damage gum, recession, exposed, tooth roots, increased sensitivity. Stage 4. Catastrophic outcome, bone loss, loose teeth, tooth loss. Thousands of dollars in dental treatments. Stop gum disease before it's too late. Tip number 1. Stop plaque before it turns into tartar. This is where home care truly works. Daily routine, 2 minutes. Twice a day. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. Apply a pie-sized fluoride toothpaste. Brush at a 45-degree angle to the gums. Use gentle circular motions. Brush for 2 full minutes. Set a timer. Morning plus night equals 4 minutes total. Asterisk tip number 2. Weekly deep clean routine, low cost. This helps prevent mineral buildup once per week. Mix 1/2 teaspoon baking soda with a few drops of water. Gently brush for 30 seconds only. Rinse thoroughly. Do not scrub hard. Do not do daily this. Controls plaque, not tartar removal. Asterisk most people floss wrong. Asterisk use 18 inches of floss. Curve into a C shape around each tooth. Slide gently under the gum line. Move up and down 3 to 4 times per tooth once daily equal to Hooge tartar prevention. Asterisk, do not scrape teeth with metal objects. Do not use acids, lemon, vinegar. Do not overuse abrasive powders. These cause permanent damage.